Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my husband is right here. Babe, say hi.
Hello.
So today it's actually night time, but I couldn't sleep. I won't be able to sleep if I didn't film this video. So I'm filming the unboxing, like a review, not a review because I haven't used it yet. So it's like a first impression of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's what we're filming. I currently use the iPhone XS Max actually, and that's what I'm filming on. So I'm going to start. I haven't opened the boxes yet. My husband has one and I have one, so I'm going to do both unboxing. He doesn't want to be on camera because he hasn't got the haircut yet. They come in a black box, not in the typical white iPhone boxes, which is like like so cute, right? So my light is kind of so bright. I'm going to dim it a little bit so you guys can see. Can you see the colors? So I got the gold one, of course, and he got the silver white one. And I'm going to go ahead and open them now. Can you tell I'm excited? You guys, it's like 8 p.m. in the night. And I just had to do this. So I'm opening mine first. It's this typical iPhone box. It's just not white. I think they did it in the black one just to differentiate it. He's so cute. The X Max Gold is kind of darker than this. This is kind of lighter in terms of gold, if that matters. But typical iPhone, typical. The camera obviously not typical, but in terms of first glance it looks the same, but the color is lighter. The gold is lighter than the X Max Gold. I actually like the X Max Gold better than this because this just looks, what's the difference between this and silver? Almost nothing. So let's open the silver and see how that looks. Woo! Typical. It looks exactly like the silver one, but this just has like, I don't know, it has like a matte kind of hue to it, if you can see. Even they have like a hue on it. I don't know if you guys know what hue is, like filter, kind of matte filter on it. And this is how it looks. Typical. Just the same slender X kind of feel. Yeah, so this is the gold and this is the silver. So I'm going to turn it on. They have the nylon, you know, typical new phone iPhone shenanigans. So I'm going to turn it on and start the whole, you know, welcome and, you know, iCloud restore and all that process. And yeah. All right guys, I'm back. I'm currently on my husband's phone, the old one, the X. Wait, what's your iPhone X? Yes, his phone is X. We are currently transferring our, what do you say, data, I don't know how you guys call it, from the old ones, and this is how it looks. So you just put both phones by each other and it would transfer. It would ask you if you want to transfer or you want to download from iCloud. You choose the one you want. I did transfer and it's currently transferring from my XS Max to my 11 Pro Max. And I just thought I'll do a quick comparison of both phones. You guys, I've never taken my phone out of the case since I got it. The day I got the phone, I bought my case, and to be honest, like, today is like the first time I'm actually taking my phone out of my case. I have a screen guard on there, so that also helps. Phone is pretty much new, but you know, fingerprints and stuff. But this is how it looks, and this is what I'm saying in terms of color. So you see what I'm saying? Like, this looks a little bit like it has like a matte like filter on it, and this just looks smooth. Like, it has like that like monochrome effect. Let's hold it up right. Okay, so this is the X Max and this is the Pro Max, and they look like that in terms of color. I'm going to put them side by side. The side colors look the same, and then the front obviously is the same. In terms of size, the XS Max is like an inch taller, like a little bit. It's just like an inch taller than the Pro Max, but the Pro Max is actually slimmer than the X Max, like just a tiny bit, but they look the same, they feel the same. When I'm using this X Max, the only thing that I have a problem with is it gets hot, and I use my phone a lot. So if you don't use your phone a lot, my husband's phone doesn't do that because he doesn't literally use his phone at all. But my phone gets hot because I use it every time. I use it to film my YouTube videos, I edit on it, I take my pictures on it, I do Instagram. Like, I live on my phone, so my phone gets hot after like a few hours of using it. So you have to put that into consideration in case if you want to get the XS Max. That's the only thing. It does get hot. It's currently hot right now. My husband is filming me on his phone. So that is that. In terms of weight, my husband was talking about weight. The 11 is kind of heavier. Is it really? I don't know if it's heavier. It's just it feels the same. Now, one thing I would say is touching it, because this is like a matte feel and this is less slippery. Because that's the problem with this. It's like, because it's so smooth. It's like slippery, but this is not, because the back is like kind of not smooth, if that makes sense. So here we have it, the X Max and the Pro Max. But yeah, I think I'm done. Let me try to take a selfie
On my phone?
That's one thing the X Max doesn't do. On a front camera, you can't zoom in. You can't zoom in on pictures, you can't zoom in on videos. But apparently you can do that on this one, which I like, because I always want to zoom in on my eyes and stuff, and you can't do that on the other iPhones. But you can do that on here. On the videos, you can't still zoom in and zoom out, so still the same. What else is new? Slow-mo, portrait. Let's see the portrait. Same old, nothing new.
1 hour later.
Alright, so right now it says transfer complete. So we are almost there, I guess.
6 hours
Later. So I am back, and both phones have loaded, and then they've transferred. Now they are identical, as you can see. Oh, when I click on the camera, it says new in camera. It says new in camera, capture outside the frame, see and capture the area outside the frame of the photo or recorded video to improve composition. There's a new shutter button. Tap and hold the shutter button to record a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left or to the right for burst, which that's nice. So I'm going to try that. So it says drag to the, oh, okay. So you can drag it and pull it. You know, like Snapchat, right? That's exactly what they did. You know, on Snapchat, where you press it and then you drag it and it locks it. That's exactly what they did. So you press it. Oh, let me turn it to the front. So this is it. Then you press it and then it locks, and then you turn it, and then it becomes a video. That's exactly what they did. They literally copied Snapchat on that one. But that's what is new, I guess, in photos. But on this one, when you press it, you can go out and come back, like come in for a closer shot if you wanted that. Because there's sometimes, you know, you don't have to take your phone all the way here to take a picture, because sometimes you just want it to zoom out and zoom in on you when you're taking like a selfie, right? For video, I don't think there's anything new. You know, the three new buttons on top of the video, the one that says 0.5, 1x and 2x, which is nice in case if you were filming like with your iPhone and you wanted to film like an up close video or whatever, because most times you have to do that or change that in editing. Nothing else is new. To be honest, like I said, this is just smooth and this is a little bit like matte kind of feel. Apart from the boxes are black instead of white. Back filming with my XS Max. I'm using the back camera right now. You know, if the quality, I'm sure the quality would have changed because I was filming with my husband's X, and yeah, so this is the XS Max, and then I'm going to go ahead and film with the 11 to see if there's actually any difference in the quality of the video, or you know, the quality of the phone itself or the cameras, I guess, because this one has two cameras, right? The XS Max has two cameras, and so this has three. So you want to see why there's three. I guess it's the zoom in zoom out effect that they put in the 11 that makes the difference. That's why they have three cameras, I guess. But I want to see the quality. I'm about quality. I want to see, like, is it sharper? Like, is it better? Like, what exactly is the difference? Because that's what actually makes the difference. I don't need three cameras on a phone. I want to know if the three cameras can shoot better than the one that has two. Because it doesn't make sense for you to have two cameras and the 3 and the 2 shoot exactly the same. So that's what I'm going to see. I'm going to turn to the front real quick. This is the front camera. Switch to the 11. The 11 has a nylon, like this plastic. It has a plastic on it. So I don't know if I want to take the plastic out to get the real feel of the front camera. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm not sure if I want to do that, but we'll see. All right, so this is me recording with the 11 Pro Max, and this is the back camera. I don't know if there's any difference. My husband's gonna help me with the 0.5 and the 2. So babe, can you do 0.5?
Sure.
Any difference? Am I like super close?
No, you're super far, and it's showing the bed with the clusters on.
Okay, can we do 0.2? Like 2?
I can like see the back of your eye.
Like it's super close for 0.2. The 0.5, as you can see, was wide. And then can you do 1, baby?
And that's 1 right there.
Yeah, so this is 1. That's that. And then I just remembered, or my husband just reminded me to check the box, and to my surprise, they changed the chargers. They changed the charger, the cord, and the what you call this, babe?
Base.
The base, the one that goes into the socket. They changed it. This is how it is now. Whoa. Yeah, this is how it is, right? And then when you take it out, this is how this looks. And then you insert that into this. So it's like only the 11 has this charger, so you can actually go out and like ask somebody else to charge your phone, but it's weird. Like, why did they change it? Like, we can still use our like X Max chargers to charge this, right? So I guess they just wanted to be different. It's an iPhone thing. They always want to do that one thing that the other phones didn't do.
It might be that this charger charges a lot faster.
Okay, my husband is saying that maybe they made it this way because it can charge faster. So they said that this phone's battery lasts twice as long than the other iPhones. So I guess maybe this helps it charge faster. I guess that's why they changed it. I don't know, but that's the only thing that's different. The earphones exactly the same. My husband was saying, oh, did they put earpods in there? Nope. It's the regular schmegular iPhone earphones. Ain't no earpods in here. So that I wanted to point out. With the iPhone 11 Pro Max front camera, I don't know if there's any difference. I still do have the plastic on my front camera, so this is me filming with the plastic on the front camera. I don't know if that's why it looks so like white kind of thing, but maybe if I take it off it'll be different. I don't want to take it off right now, so yeah, I'll just have to walk with this. But this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures with both front and back cameras and take it's just pictures. Take pictures with both phones, front and back cameras, and then we can tell if they did anything different or they just put one camera on the old iPhone XS Max and sold it to us as an 11. We don't know. We'll probably never know, but that's it. Until next time, you guys don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to show me some love in the comments. Let me know. My husband bought me this phone, so
and the one before,
and the one before,
and the one before,
and the one before that. He just had to put that out there so you guys know. So y'all that know him appreciate my husband in the background. He's always behind the scenes. But thank you guys. If you made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Let me know if you learned anything. If you're gonna get the iPhone 11. If you're not gonna get what I've been using iPhone since the iPhone 4. Yes, the iPhone 4, and I have not stopped using iPhone since then. I am a loyal Apple fan. I use Apple, nothing else. I don't advocate for anything else other than Apple. That's it. I use every Apple phone. 4, I use Apple 5, then I used the 6, and then I used 7, and then I went to the 10X Max. So I use Apple. I'm all about Apple stuff. And you guys let me know, are you an Android fan? Do you like Samsung? Do you like HTC if they still release phones? Do you like Samsung? Do you like Nokia? I know Nokia still release phones because I still saw a review of somebody reviewing a Nokia phone, and I'm like, are you serious? Like, y'all need to quit. But let me know in the comments if you guys, what phone you use, what kind of but what do you call that thing? Processor. Is it processor?
OS, operating system. Yes,
the operating system that you like, because I cannot use Android operating system to save my life. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. It's just too 90s for me. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. My husband is right there. He's saying thank you for watching. He's saying don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video.